MXLP 2.1 Compact Wireless Keyboard. A colorful trendsetter, the small gaming keyboard for greater performance or work too. Feature wireless 3-mode gaming keypad with cutting-edge Cherry MX LP switch, compact keyboard with 68 keys in bold color, combination for a trend-setting appearance, Cherry MX low-profile technology, gold crosspoint, precision switch for all keys, developed and made in Germany. To switch help ensures a life of up to 100 million strokes without loss of input quality, with a 35% lower profile, 40% higher bonus speed, and fast key detection, designed for a professional esports, equipped with high quality Nordic chip for a first class consistent performance, Cherry Advanced Wireless Technology, 2.4 GHz mode, latency of less than 1 ms of ultimate gaming performance, Bluetooth 5.2 mode, support 3 channels for easy switching between multiple devices such as a PC, tablet, or smartphone. Smart charging technology, Type-C, cable support, fast charging, and allow you to pay while the keyboard is charging. Impressive RGB light in more than 16 million colors with numerous integrated colors routines. Easy light customization, create and save your own lighting effects in the built-in memory. Ergonomic comfort thanks to easy height adjustment with the screw in a rubber feet, full and key rollover. All keys are read simultaneously, anti-ghosting, no input errors. When key lockout for gaming, abrasion resistant keycaps. Details: a colorful trendsetter, the Cherry MX LP 2.1 compact wireless gaming keyboard, wireless with 3 different modes for a high performance when gaming or at work. Cherry Advanced Wireless Technology, the stylish RGB lighting, low profile MX precision switch, and numerous other features make this small keyboard big on performance. The compact from with under 70 keys has whole color combinations for a timelessly trend setting appearance. Your game, your style, your win. And RGB coded and 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth, designed in Germany. Mechanical MXLP, rechargeable product, Thank you.